Mm. Welcome to Whispers. So, mm, um, the Nigerian military, they have their own episodes as well, from the brutal to the new ones, and to all kinds of horror revelations they put out there. So, yeah. But the latest one it's just confirming the obvious. So yeah, let's find out. How we received order not to repel Boko Haram attack on Borno town. Our military sources explained why the Nigerian army of 5 brigadier and 145 battalion could not repel Boko Haram attack on Damasak town, Borno State, despite every military presence. The military source said that the Brigadier General SS Talawan had asked soldiers to stay back rather than attack the terrorists who invaded Damasak town. According to him, the Boko Haram militants had come through the town where civilians are resided, making it difficult for the fighter aircraft to strike. But these same fighter aircraft can strike in the east, right? Can strike in residential areas, killing innocent people. Hmm. It said the Air Force personnel had monitored the movement of the terrorists and informed foot soldiers would ought to tactically combat the attack. He, however, said SS Talawan asked soldiers to retreat, giving the terrorists a smooth operation. Not only them, uh-uh, the police too. They give the Fulani herdsmen smooth operation too. The Boko Haram terrorists came through Damasak town and started the attack from 4:04 to 8 p.m. The attack lasted for that long. The Boko Haram militants came through the town where civilians live. The Air Force personnel tried. They were there on time to attack Boko Haram but couldn't because of civilians. Keep the civilians up. It was supposed to be the duty of the army to enter that town and flush out these bad boys, but we didn't even have what to use, talk less of other things. Well, you won't have what to use because you have moles in the military. Just of recent, the Waylaji people collected 28 million and all the equipment that you people are supposed to be fighting. It is a joke. It's just a joke. It is a joke. I don't know. The jet cannot bomb that town because the Boko Haram militants came from West Village and the governor of the state, Babagana Zulum, has so much confidence in this battalion. That is why he opened IDP camp in Damasak to protect his people because he so much loves his people. Alright. Love his people. IDP camps. Is that the law? He wants to ensure that the people live comfortably, but now it seems like the army has failed the man due to high corruption in the army. This country is so bad. Corruption, that is it. That's it. With my 5 years in the army, even common armament we don't have, helmets we don't have. Even those who fought first and Second World War used the helmet to fight, and in this modern day and age, we don't have a helmet. I am very angry. Within a month now, we've lost 18 soldiers in this battalion because of one useless brigade commander, SS Talawan, they brought us. This man is creating unnecessary work. He scattered the camp. I believe he's an agent of Boko Haram. Of course, what do you expect? when they are where they are taking repentant Boko Haram in the Nigerian army. They are joining the army. What do you expect? A few days ago, a company was dislodged by Boko Haram militants, and when our people tried to go for reinforcement, it said we shouldn't go. That day we lost 10 soldiers, and today when the jet came, they told us that they could sight Boko Haram guys but could not bomb because civilians were there, and that we should go with our little weapons and recapture the town. Talawanse gave orders that we should not go to that town. He has forgotten that we are here because of these people. The world should come and do something about this man before the issue gets out of hand. Hasn't it? The governor should know that his people are no longer safe because of the Brigadier General S.S. Talawan. It should come fast and do something. People are dying anyhow, and we are here for them. I don't know the number of people who died, but I know Boko Haram militants entered the area and did it. I feel hungry because we could not help those people, and we are here for them. It is my duty as a Nigerian soldier to protect people, but there is nothing we can do when our leaders make decisions against the people. Boko Haram killed people in the town and injured some. The people are doing burials in the cemetery now. We would have rescued them yesterday, but the commander gave the order that we should not enter the town. They didn't enter our camp, but they looted Damasa town to their satisfaction. They even took civilians' cars away. We lost 3 soldiers to yesterday's account, totaling 18 soldiers under just 1 month. It was earlier reported how Boko Haram fighters invaded Damasa town in Borno State. Borno United Nations facilities are forcing humanitarian workers to flee for their lives. It was learned that the terrorists aided by their deadlier Islamic State West African province fighters set fire to the UN office and at least 3 other international charity organizations contiguous to the UN facility. The terrorists came into the town in gun trucks. They first embarked on a looting spree. They chartered away aid supplies meant for the internally displaced persons before they set fire on the UN hub in the town, and 3 other buildings belonging to other aid organizations. A source in the town narrated. That is why we need our Yoruba nation before Boko. This one, JB is only bandits and the criminal Fulani herdsmen that we have. Before Boko Haram spreads to the south, east, southwest, let us go and separate ways. Boko Haram is a business venture of some northern top military men and government who have no value for lives of their constituents. Unaccounted billions are to be made as long as the Boko Haram war continues. That's true. It's a business. They're making money out of it. It is a business. Boko Haram is money spinner for northern elites. It can't end. Let it continue. For our money, woman, for our low budget. When they finish killing the people, they will kill themselves now, innit? Yeah. So, yeah, there you have it, guys. So, everything the Boko Haram, the bandits, everything is celebrated. When they kidnap people, they are making money. That is the part I don't get. They are making money. But even the money they are making from the kidnap is not showing on their body, which tells me they are working for somebody. There's an Oga at the top for them. So, there you have it. The soldiers are coming out. In a normal, sane society, they said the named brigadier or whoever he is should have been investigated. But no, he's still there, running the show. So, like every other corrupt government officials, They are all still there running the show. That is it. There are no consequences when there should be consequences. That is why the law is there. But no, the law is not even effective. That is what emboldens them to do more. So what are we saying? There you have it, guys. Until I come your way again.